Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Azul's Zulu OpenJDK 21 long-term support version on Windows 11 operating system. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Azul's Zulu OpenJDK 21 as a zip archive for Windows operating system. So this is the file. So I am going to extract the content to one directory. So I am going to extract to F:. Okay. After extracting, I am renaming the directory. So simply I am keeping the name Zulu JDK 21. Okay, this is the directory structure of Zulu OpenJDK 21. Bin directory contains all the executables. Conf directory, demo directory, jmods, that is jmods contains all the packages and modules necessary for development. Lib directory. Okay, so you can see the release file also for vendor details and other information. You can see the release file. Okay, so Zulu OpenJDK is the implementation from OpenJDK project. Okay, it's a clone of OpenJDK. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to set Java_home environment variable for Zulu OpenJDK 21. So go to this PC, right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Under that you can see that two variables are there, user variables and system variables. So under system variables I am going to create the Java_home environment variable pointing to Zulu OpenJDK 21. So why I am creating under system variables? Because all the users in this machine can run the Zulu OpenJDK commands. Okay, now finally I am going to append the Zulu OpenJDK 21 bin directory to Windows path variable. Okay, so this is the syntax. Make sure that syntax is correct. Okay, so I have successfully set the environment variable. Now I am going to run the Java command. So let me go to Windows command prompt. Okay, so Java version, yes, I can able to run the Zulu OpenJDK commands. So Azul's Zulu OpenJDK 21 installation on Windows 11 from zip archive is successful. Okay, next step what I am going to show is how to compile and run simple Java module program. So Java module programming I am going to show you demo. So here you can see that modules directory contains src and classes folder. Src folder contains two modules, message module and print module. Okay, so each module contains module-info.java, which is a mandatory file for a module. So first I am opening the message module-info.java. You can see that exports com.javafrm, which means that this message module contains com.javafrm package and it exports com.javafrm, which means that other modules can access the message modules classes. Okay, so it contains only one class file called message. It contains one public method called print message, which returns a string. Okay, so make sure that this class is public and method also public, then only other modules can access the message class. Okay, public class and public method. Okay, next I am going to show you print module. So let me open module-info.java. Here you can see that requires message modules, which means that it will import and uses all the message module packages and classes. Now let me go to HelloWorld.java. So HelloWorld.java is under org.javafrm package, and here you can see that it imports com.javafrm.message class from message module. So here you can see that I have called the message class, okay, and print the message, simply print the hello world message. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile the modules. So first I am compiling the message module. So this is the syntax: java c module name, destination path. So destination path is the classes folder where all the class files are stored, and source path, module source path is the src directory. Yes, so message module is compiled successfully. Now let me compile print module. So same syntax, just I have changed the module name, that's it. Okay, you can see here class files are generated. So make sure that class files are generated before you run the modules, okay. All the required classes must be there. Okay, so as I told earlier, print module contains a main class, okay. Hello world is a main class which contains public static void main method. So this is a syntax to run the Java module which contains main method. So this is the module path we are importing. This is the module we are going to run, which contains public static void main method. Okay, let me run the program. Yes, I can able to run the program and I am able to print the message. So this is the way we need to compile and run the Java module program in Zulu OpenJDK 21.